Let's hear from Maddie as she shares her experience in Wichita State University's College of Health Professions, where students can pursue diverse healthcare fields like dental hygiene, audiology, physical therapy, and physician associate studies. Take it away, Maddie.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, y'all. From a young age, I knew I had a heart for serving others, and I aspired to find a career that would allow me to do just that. I came to Wichita State because I was awarded the Red Scholarship, a 4-year full ride given to those who display grit and determination in the face of adversity. Prior to finding out about the scholarship, I was worried about only being 40 minutes away from my hometown, but living on campus has allowed me to be more independent with the peace of mind of my family not being too far away. I have so many wonderful opportunities to grow and thrive here at WSU. I couldn't have asked for a better community, and I'm so grateful for the staff at my on-campus job, my nursing school study buddies, and the engaging faculty. As a hands-on learner, I enjoy working in the simulation lab and going out to our clinical sites. WSU is conveniently located in a city with a booming healthcare industry, which allows students to make connections and work alongside seasoned practitioners. We also have over 500 clinical affiliation sites across the U.S. and in 4 countries. Additionally, here in the next few years, WSU's College of Health Professions, School of Health Sciences, School of Nursing, and Speech-Language Hearing Clinic will move into a brand new building, Wichita Biomedical Campus, which it's building alongside the University of Kansas and WSU Tech. As for me, I plan to soak up every last moment of my senior year. It's bittersweet thinking of leaving this place. I came in 3 years ago as a shy and reserved girl from a small town, and I can confidently say that I'll be graduating having found my voice and passion. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Maddie. The Wichita Biomedical Campus is the city's largest investment into downtown Wichita, and it's going to pave the way for the future of healthcare education and transform health outcomes for communities in Kansas and beyond. Take care, Maddie.